Hey, so if you're working with a team and need to keep projects organized, yeah, Zoho Projects makes collaboration really smooth. In this guide, I'll show you how to use it step by step. Alright, first, log into your Zoho account and open Zoho Projects from your app's dashboard. Once you're in, click Create Project and enter your project name, start date, and basic details. Next, invite your team members by adding their emails and assigning roles, like admin, manager, or member. Now go to the Tasks section and create tasks. Break your project into smaller parts so everything is easier to manage. Assign each task to specific team members so everyone knows exactly what they're responsible for. Inside each task, you can add comments, updates, or questions. Yeah, this keeps all communication in one place. You can also attach files to tasks or share documents through Zoho Work Drive integration, so everything stays connected. Use dashboards or Gantt charts to track progress and see what's done and what's pending. And yeah, that's it. Zoho Projects makes team collaboration simple, organized, and way more efficient once you get used to it.